Hello guys, welcome to History Tech, and today we are going to unbox the new Galaxy A8 2018. This is the pretty new model from Samsung, and we will see how it looks like. Yeah, we have the Galaxy A8 32GB with infinity display, dual camera in front of it, and a IP68. This is the 32GB with 4GB of RAM, which is quite big for this mid-range phone. We have color black, and in the box of it you can see 2018, so that's quite new model, came out recently. Yeah, we're gonna check it out what's inside the box, so I'm just happy to have a chance to unbox this. Okay, without further ado, come on in, let's unbox it. Okay, so that's the 2018. I haven't seen one as well, so this is my first time to look at it. Okay, so that's the Galaxy A8 2018. It's a little bit big. I mean, it's a little bit smaller, but it has a really big screen, and that's the back of it. In front, of course, you have the dual lens in an infinity display, which is a 5.6 inches. At the back, you have the camera and the finger scanner and the camera flash. It's a very pretty machine. It's not too bad. Just gonna put it aside and see what else in the box of this new Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. Okay, so you have the manual and of course the eject pin. You got the USB-C lead. So this one is a USB-C, of course. Samsung is now going there. And then you have the earbuds, the plug. That is the Samsung plug, and of course this is a UK one with adaptive fast charging, which is quite good. And the normal earphone is actually similar to what I've got with the S7 Edge. So, but the box is color white. A series are all white color, but the S is actually color black. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the plastic off of this mobile phone and we will see it. This looks really good. It doesn't feel really big, but it is a 5.5 inches screen, corner to corner, and we're just gonna turn it on how it looks like. There you go. So Galaxy A8 powered by Android. It has a dual camera in front of it, and we will see what is it for. You got the memory card slot, the speaker on the side. At the bottom there is a USB-C, of course, and a 3.5 jack for the earphone, and you have the SIM card slot on this side as well. Okay, so that is the Samsung Galaxy A8. I'm gonna check it out. I will turn on and set it up and see if this is really worth the money. And yeah, this is currently £449 in the UK if you are buying one. So anyway, this is actually just a quick unboxing of this Galaxy A8 2018. If you have any question, just put that in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Okay, so thank you and goodbye.